Welcome to installing, configuring, and using Trident for Docker. Before we install, there are a few setup steps we have to do. Create the Trident backend directory under /etc NetApp DVP and create the backend file under the created directory. To start the Trident installation, use Docker plugin install NetApp/Trident plugin command. Now let's observe how to provision a volume using Trident. To create a volume, use the Docker volume create with the -d option, and to create a default volume at container instantiation, use the Docker run with the ---- volume driver option. To recap, we have seen how to install Trident for Docker and quickly provision volume using Trident for Docker. Thank you very much.